kids! Today we're going to learn how to draw a pineapple. Let's start with the head of the pineapple. It has spiky leaves. And now the main part of the pineapple. The little circles are like spikes, up and down, all over the pineapple. Now let's color the pineapple. Should we start with the spiky head? Yes! Let's color it green. Now moving down. I like red. Let's color the top line red. Shiny orange next. Neat and tidy. One circle at a time. Yellow! Bright, just like the sun. One line to match the spike with green. Down to blue, pretty blue. And then we come to purple. What a beautiful pineapple! Colorful as a rainbow. Hi friends! Are you ready to have some fun? Today we're going to draw a dinosaur. Let's start. Doesn't he have a big head? The circles can be his scales. That looks like a nice dinosaur. Shall we color him in now? Let's start with red, my favorite color. Which is your favorite color? Now, orange. And then yellow. Make sure you keep the color within the black lines. Shall we move to green? blue. Lovely! Purple for the legs. The dinosaur is ready to run. Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!